Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing and totally free live sports app to your Firestick or Android TV device. It's pretty easy to set up and the whole process will take you only a couple of minutes. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to your device. And first of all, you will have to get the app called Downloader to the Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, we'll go to the search on the Fire TV stick, open the search bar, and now we just start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and now here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll go to the settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now what you have to do in here is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast so that you do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging. Then you have to go to install unknown apps. Open this option as well. And now from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. Here it is. Let me open it. And when it loads, here's gonna be the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Luxembourg right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. We open it up, and then just finally go into Downloader. So we open it, and now what you have to do in here is open the search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 1 0 4 3 8 4. So once again, 104384. That's the whole code you have to enter. Then just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And then after the app is downloaded, of course we also have to make sure to install it to our Firestick. So we click on install, and now the app will finish installing to your device. And after that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now if we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, which is located right here, let's open it up, wait a bit until it all loads for us, and there's the application which we just got for you. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. So this way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app finally. And then when you open the app, you might see such a screen which says that the app needs to be updated, and that's fine. So now I'll teach you how to make the application update. So we need to go back to the settings by clicking the search, but the gear button, the gear button, then go to My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and this time we have to turn this option on for Blink Streams application as well, because this way the app will be able to update a newer version and get updated. Now we have to return to the home screen or to the application screen and run Blink Streams again. So let's open it, and now we can click on update now. You have to allow access to files on your device, so the app would be able to update a new version. So we click allow, and now the updated version will start downloading. As you can see, it said that download was successful. Now we just need to click install and make sure that the app gets properly installed to our Fire TV Stick device. Then again we click on done and just reload the application one more time. So we open it, and now in here you get access to loads of events as well as different sports categories from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Spain, Germany, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels or events available in the app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.